Hello engineers. Welcome again. Today I will provide you with a step-by-step description of the house construction process. I will guide you through the main stages involved in constructing a house. Design and planning. 1. The first step is to create a detailed architectural plan for the house. 1. This includes the layout, dimensions, and specifications for each room. 2. Engineers and architects work together to ensure the design is structurally sound and meets local building codes and regulations. 3. During this stage, the owner may need to obtain necessary permits and approvals from local authorities. Site preparation. 1. The construction site is cleared of any debris, trees, and other obstructions. 2. Excavation is done to level the ground and prepare the foundation. Foundation. 1. The foundation is laid to provide a stable base for the house. 2. Common types of foundations include slab on grade, crawl space, and basement. 3. The foundation is made of concrete and/or steel to support the weight of the structure. Framing. 1. This is where the basic framework of the house is built using wood, steel, or other materials. 2. The framing includes walls, floors, and the roof structure. 3. It gives shape to the house and provides support for the various components. Electrical, plumbing, and HVAC. 1. Once the framing is complete, the electrical wiring, plumbing pipes, and heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) systems are installed. 2. This is a crucial stage, as it determines the functionality and safety of the house. Insulation and drywall. 1. Insulation is installed in the walls and attic to improve energy efficiency and regulate temperature. 2. Drywall or plasterboard is used to cover the walls and ceilings, creating smooth surfaces. Interior finishes. 1. Flooring, cabinetry, countertops, and other interior finishes are installed. 2. Painting, wallpapering, and other decorative touches are applied. Exterior finishes. 1. The exterior of the house is completed with siding, paint, or other cladding materials. 2. Windows and doors are installed. Final inspections. 1. Before occupancy, the house undergoes thorough inspections to ensure compliance with building codes and safety standards. Landscaping. 1. The area around the house is landscaped with plants, lawn, and other outdoor features. 1. Final touches. 1. Any remaining items like lighting fixtures, hardware, and other small details are added. 1. Move in. 1. The house is now ready for occupancy, and the owner can move in. Remember that house construction can vary depending on the location, type of house, and other factors. It's essential to hire reputable contractors and adhere to local regulations throughout the process. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.